turn the lights down. Let's go. Gimme, 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 gimme,
Hi everyone, Dana here, otherwise known as Artworxlegacy, and welcome to my pink drink Starbucks drinkity makeup look tutorial. I hope that you guys are having a great one wherever you are, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Let's go back in time, back to the time when we put on the makeup before the makeup was done now, and we're going to have a great time with our Starbucks pink drink look for the springtime. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I hope that you guys are having a great time and you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and tell all your friends that I made this pink drink look for you guys. Bye! On to the actual video. Okay everyone, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is, if you wear glasses, to take off your glasses so we can put on the makeup. And take a band like this, a hairband. Put your hair back. Like so. So, because this is a pink drink look, you're going to want to have a good balance of pinks and reds. And I think for today, we're going to experiment with pink lips, red and pink eyeshadow, and then bright pink cheeks and a pinkish reddish highlight. And for this look, we're going to try the pink drink for the first time. That is freaking delicious. I think it kind of has like coconut milk in it. I'm not really sure. Okay, everyone. So the first things first that we're going to want to do is hydrate the skin. Today, I'm going to be using Dominique Cosmetics. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is spray their Ultra Fine Hydrating Mist on the face. Rub it in with your hands into your skin. Then apply their Ultra Hydrating Serum Primer and apply that to your skin. And then apply the mist one more time over the skin and rub it in so your face is completely hydrated and blurred and primed for makeup. Now the interesting thing about this primer is that it creates a barrier from your skin to your makeup, so your face is protected from the makeup and all of the harsh chemicals that makeup have. Okay everyone, so the next step after hydrating the skin is going to be foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Smashbox Full Coverage Foundation. It's called their Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I have a sponge here that I'm going to use. Okay everyone, now that the foundation's on, we're going to be applying the Dominique Wide Awake Full Coverage Concealer. So with this concealer, it's very nice because it's a luxe concealer that is made by CHRISTEN Dominique Cosmetics. And it is in Café con Leche. It has 4 millimeters of product made in Korea. And this brand made a concealer that's buildable full coverage, has caffeine, vitamin E. It has a cooling metal tip concealer that you can use to apply under the eyes to give it a cooling sensation. So it'll wake you up and you'll be wide awake in the morning when you do your makeup. I'm going to be using today the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation Powder Foundation. And I'm going to use the sponge it comes with, as you can see, to go ahead and set my face so it doesn't get creasy anywhere. Okay everyone, now that we applied the mist, primer, mist, foundation, concealer, and powder, we are going to set the makeup and make sure that it looks more like skin instead of powder by using the Dominique Cosmetics Ultra Fine Hydrating Fine Mist. So we're going to apply this to our face, let it set for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to be doing our brows. Okay everyone, now that it's been about 10 minutes and my face from the mist is dry, I'm going to be doing my brows. So how I do my brows is I use a brow pencil, and I don't have a brow powder set. So from the James Charles X Morphe Mini, I'm going to be using the black shade to fill in my brows because I've got black hair. So I want my black brows to match my black hair. So first thing I'm going to be doing is brushing the brows up with the spoolie, as you can see. Brush them in place. And when I do that, I'm then going to fill them in. Okay everyone, now that we've filled in our brows with our pencil, we are then going to take a brow brush like this that has a spoolie on the other end, and we are going to be taking the black shade from the James Charles X Morphe Mini, so this shade here, and we're just going to take our brush and we're going to dip it in and just start filling it in. Alright everyone, now that the base and brows are done, it's time for the eyeshadow. And for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to start off by using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection. And for the last YouTube video I did, I used the Latte palette by Dominique Cosmetics Latte 1. And now for this look, I'm going to be using Latte 2. So for this look, we are going to go for these two main shadows here. We're going to apply this all over the eyes and all over the lower lash line, and then this on the inner corners, along with, from Latte 1, my favorite shade of all time from any of my shadows from my collection, and that's Macchiato, which is this foil shade right here that I use on the inner part of my eye that makes it just pop with light and reflect. So, first things first, we're going to use, from the Latte palette, Strawberry Milk, and apply that all over the eyes with our fingers. We're going to take a smaller brush, and we're going to go take Strawberry Milk, and we're going to apply it on the lower lash line. Okay, now that we've applied Strawberry Milk all over our lids and slightly in the crease and on the lower lash line, we are then going to incorporate some more reddish colors by taking this color here called Wisdom. It's got like a tooth on it, and it's a wisdom tooth, and it's going to create a reddish tone in the eye. So we're going to take that and apply it in the crease. So it has a shimmer to it, so it's going to make our eyes sparkle. Now that I've laid Strawberry Milk on the lid and lower lash line and took Wisdom and put it all over the crease, we are then going to be taking from Hard Candy this glitter palette of pinks and purples, and we're going to take this light glitter, this light pink glitter, and apply it all over the lids. We're going to apply it with our fingers, take it from the palette, and start applying it. What we're going to do is we are first going to apply, to really brighten up that inner reddish area, we're going to take Macchiato from the Latte palette. So now that we've applied Macchiato all over the inner area of the eye, we are then going to take this highlighter pinky shade. We're going to dip it on our finger, and we're going to apply it here as well. And then we're going to go back to the Deathly Star palette and take this eyeshadow slash highlight and apply that to the inner area, mainly on the inner corners of our eyes. We're going to take that shade and we're going to pop it in the inner corner. We're going to really layer up this color and make it concentrated with the brush. And now we're going to be taking this bright pink glitter and we're going to apply that to the outer area of our eye. So now that we've applied all of those eyeshadows, we're going to take that inner highlight and we're going to apply it to the brow bone, and then take more Strawberry Milk and apply it to the lower lash line so it can get thicker and have more color going across. So now that we finished the eyeshadow, I'm going to tight line my upper and lower lash line with the Essence Black Liner eyeliner. Then I'm going to take for mascara the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect waterproof mascara. And then I'm going to use the Magnetic Kiss eyeliner on my upper lash line and apply my Faux Mink Crowd Pleaser lashes that I have right here, these ones. So now we are simply going to take our blushes And I'm going to be using two blushes this time. I'm going to be using the Strawberry Milk again, not as a eyeshadow, but as a blush. And then I'm also going to be using over top of that this light pink by CoverGirl. And all we have to do is simply take the blush and apply it, and then apply highlighter on our cheeks, contour, lipstick, and then we're done. Dip it in. It's smile. And apply it up and around the temple to give yourself a nice facelift. And now we're going to be taking this Wet n Wild highlighter and we're going to take our fingers, we're going to apply it, and we're going to add it to the high points of the face to just really highlight the cheeks and give them a beam in the light, as you can see. Here, candy floss and a dip of that. Go back in here. And we're going to add it to the nose. So this is a contour brush that I bought at TJ Maxx, not that expensive. And then here is the contour palette. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And I've been using, as you can see, this middle shade right here. I even hit pan on it. I just go up and around the face. So we're going to use this lipstick by Revlon. It's their new matte Heartbreaker shade. So you can see it's pink. And when we take it out, this is what it looks like. And then this Stila eyeshadow on top. As you can see, it looks like that.